Are you still struggling to make enough high-quality videos for your YouTube channel? How about the required 4,000 watch hours? Here is how you can reach this goal. By creating videos the best and easiest way. Pictory is the software to help you. This software streamlines video production, no matter what niche you work on. It's an online tool that helps you generate videos quickly and effortlessly. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned creators alike. Let's explore how it works step by step. The first thing you can do is choose your template. Pictory offers lots of these in so many different styles and are tailored for all niches. Next, add your script. Don't worry if you're not a writer. You can input a summary of the story you want to tell. And this software provides suggestions of how the script should be written. Now, let's add visuals. Pictory uses AI to find the best images or clips. You can customize them or upload your own. This makes your video stand out. Next up is the creation of the audio features. You can record your own voice or use AI-generated voices. It's simple and adds a professional touch. Then choose music that fits your video's mood. Pictory has a library full of royalty-free music you can use. Want faceless videos? This software allows you to create videos without showing your face. This is perfect for those shy about on-camera appearances. Imagine creating engaging videos about any subject in lots and lots of niches, with just a few clicks. This is all made possible with this software too. You can showcase fascinating facts or weird and wonderful stories, while keeping your audience entertained. Let's summarize the benefits. This software will help you to create the best YouTube videos possible very quickly. As a paid-up member of this creative software, you will be able to 1. Choose templates for any niche. 2. Add scripts with helpful suggestions. 3. Find the perfect visuals quickly. 4. Make professional narrations easily. 5. Use a variety of music options. 6. Create faceless videos effortlessly. Pictory offers all these features, making video creation a breeze. By using the link in the description, you can try Pictory yourself. Imagine the possibilities. With this software, you can create content that captivates viewers. Whether it's about facts or any other niche, your creativity can shine. This video you are watching now was made with this software. All the video clips, graphics, and even the voice are copyright-free with your subscription. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to unlock your YouTube potential with Pictory today. The link is also on the first pinned comment below. Use this link and get 20% off the yearly cost too.